tool number 3, and that is a variation of the pretty links strategy. So if you don't want to invest in Switchy or you don't have the money for it, I'm going to give you a different tool that is something that actually me and my team actually built. And this tool is completely free at no cost whatsoever. We built it for ourselves and we have basically made it publicly available for you. So the tool is called linkredirect.io. Now what this tool does is it lets you use your existing domain name to redirect things to your affiliate links and things along these lines. So for example, if you go to eranbukai.com/mastermind, that is actually going to take you to an article that I have written on a blogging platform called Medium. And that particular blogging platform is obviously medium.com/eranbukai/mastermind review something. And it's like this long URL. Now, if I was to try and tell you about this, it's going to be too long. You're not going to type it. It's too difficult. And also, if I want to share it on the go, it's difficult. I have to go and find the URL and copy and paste it and put it in wherever. So even if I'm on my computer and I want to go and grab the URL, it just takes me an extra few clicks, an extra 10, 15, 20 seconds to do that. Now you might be like, well, it's only 20 seconds. What's the big deal? It is a big deal. Every time I can save through software and automations, I will save. Okay, I'm obsessed with being efficient in my business and in life as well. We have 24 hours in a day. I want to maximize my time. So this particular blog post I actually wrote to give a review on a software called Mastermind, which is basically some sort of a coaching platform, something, basically, with Dean Graziosi and Tony Robbins and stuff like that. And I wanted to give a review video on that particular thing. I'm not an affiliate, by the way. This is actually a article that kind of discourages you people from joining this particular software. But I wanted people to be aware of this particular article. If you go to eranbukai.com/mastermind, it will take you to that Medium article. So I do that because eranbukai.com is my WordPress site. I cannot use it with Switchy. So therefore, I created a link redirect. So when somebody lands up on this URL, eranbukai.com/mastermind, they get redirected to this blog post. Now, if you're using WordPress, there is actually a WordPress plugin called Pretty Links, which may or may not be a paid tool. So for WordPress users, that's not really a massive problem because you have this plugin. But if you're using Kajabi, which at the time of creating the software, I was using Kajabi. So I needed to create this type of a software. If you're using Kajabi, if you're using System.io, if you're using Zenler, if you're using Showit, if you're using Squarespace, any of these tools, you don't have a software that plugs in to create Pretty Links, which is why me and my team built this software tool called Link Redirect. So it's a really cool tool, free to use. Go to linkredirect.io. That's another software tool that I use on a regular basis, and it's available for you, and it's totally free.